Hey y'all, it's Superstar, back with another video, and I'll be teaching you guys how to use this pacifier. So, the way that you remove this to put the food inside is by lifting up this section over here, just like that, and then you're going to lift this green thing by grabbing this. Goes up. The way that you can control this white part to lift up the food is by rotating the bottom corner. So you rotate, goes up and down. We want it to stay down for now. Now, remove this like that. Put whatever food you want in there. I recommend fruit. You need to keep your baby healthy. Put that fruit in there. Put this bad boy back inside. Make sure that it lines up with these two things, because if it doesn't, it's not going to close correctly. And then you're going to put this back on, close this, and then get to eating. Tastes like a smoothie juice. But to your baby, this is normal food. So, you want to get this, go to Temu.com. And I know this is a little nasty, but the food comes out of these holes. And that's how it gets inside the baby's mouth. You could even use this for elderly or people with small esophaguses. Not just for babies.